Hello everyone, welcome to Aesthetic Food Tech. So in this video, I am going to discuss about structure of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And also, carbohydrate is called as polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones. There are three reasons by which it is called so. First one is that carbohydrate contain large number of carbon atoms. Second one, more than one carbon is attached to alcohol or OH or hydroxyl group. Third one, terminal carbon atom contain aldehyde or ketone group. General chemical formula of carbohydrate is CH2ON. Based on structure, we classify carbohydrate as simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate include monosaccharides and disaccharides, and complex carbohydrates include oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Let us discuss about aldehyde and ketone group. What is aldehyde group? When a carbon share single bond with hydrogen and double bond with oxygen, this is called as aldehyde group and it is represented as CHO. And what is ketone group? This is called as carbonyl group or it contains carbonyl group, that is C double bond O. Carbon shares double bond with oxygen. Please go through these pictures and see the aldehyde and ketone group present in carbohydrate.